hours later.
All around us though, like you always gotta look in the middle and wait to see what you can catch. This cloud's got a lot going on above it.
Yeah, there's like a horseshoe shape where it just hangs out right there.
Whoa, that's cool.
And it's cool that it does it like this here sometimes where there's no rain, so you can stand out here and watch it.
This is insane.
Yeah, it's everywhere, all over.
I've literally never seen it like this, dude. And I watch lightning. I love lightning storms. I had never seen it like this.
Feel that temperature drop? Yeah. Boom, just dropped like 10 degrees. Just like that.
Okay, so the scary thing is,
What?
as I was sitting out here watching earlier, I told Ryan about it. The wind on the ground was going this way, was going from east to west.
There it comes.
Dude, and the clouds were going south to north. That's prime setup, dude.
And that's how you get these tornadic storms.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. That's a good setup for it. And there's a lot of electricity in the air.
Get tornadoes here.
Dude,
What? Don't worry, we have things.
it's like 50-mile-an-hour wind all of a sudden.
Well, there it is.
Dirt everywhere.
Yeah.
See if you can see it in the street light. Dude. Holy shit. Oh, that's crazy.
Open the front window.
A few moments later.
Oh, I'm pointed the wrong way, you idiot. I had the GoPro pointed at myself. Dude, look at the trees. They're like almost sideways. You hear that? I'm gonna stand right outside the door. Okay, I really think we're having a tornado right now. Oh, come here. Come here.
We saw it.
Right there, right there.
We saw it.
Right there. Look at the drop.
Yep.
Holy shit, dude. That's a legit tornado.
Is it?
Yeah, right there. Look.
Yeah.
Oh, I bet you I just got that on film, too. That's a legit tornado, I think.
Why aren't our sirens going off?
Dude, look at it. Would you look at it?
Oh, would you look at this?
Yeah, well.
Would you look at that?
Look at it.
Don't run. Don't move. There's some rain.
Dude, look at that. That is straight up a tornado. Holy.
Is that in town though? We're out of town.
If it is, it's just out of town. That's not very fucking far, dude. And dude, I'm getting all this on GoPro. I can slow it down later. We can see it good.
Yeah, the angle of it though, I don't know if that's even touching around. It looks sideways.
I know. Something just broke. That was a tree breaking. Tree just broke.
Several people have had trees removed around here recently. It's probably good they did.
There's hail.
Oh,
There's
not
hail.
hail. Storm.
Well, that's just thick raindrops so far. That's not exactly
It's that
hail.
time of year though. We need to
Whoa,
get
dude.
away from the storm we put away. Damn it.
Dude, if that's not a tornado, it's damn sure trying to be.
Yeah, well, it might not be the only one. You hear that sound?
Yep.
Ooh, we can't see that way.
I'm afraid to poke around this corner. Oh, dude, those are huge raindrops.
What?
Those are huge raindrops, dude. This is ridiculous.
Oh,
Yeah, we're gonna huddle a little. Well, oh, dude.
oh shit. What?
Is your shop door open?
No. That light's automatic.
All right, I
Motion
can't
makes
see
it go.
anything on the GoPro now anyways. I'm going in. That rain, I can't see anything.
One eternity later.
Well, only in North Dakota do we have a wind cage that's legitimate. I've never seen that.
This is how far you need to look for your trash can and most of the things in your yard. Slide glass door.
It's so easy to ignore. Push the limit just a little more. She would die for the chance just to change it, but she's got no more to give.
When the lights go down, it becomes the very moment she can see that there's no easy way out of the place that she never really wanted to be. It's that one last kiss. Don't try to save your innocence.
America!
Lying face down on the floor, there's a dim light at the bottom of the door. Won't you just fall back on the darkness? It's calling your name as the days run into the nights. Never mind now, ain't that 'cause everything's alright? So alone and heartless, tell me who's to blame.
Yep, I'm already wet. The problem is now that I'm wet, that wind is really cold. Ooh, and I don't think I got it, damn it.
To be, it's that one last kiss. Don't try to save your innocence. One last kiss.
Ooh, that was a good one, and I got it.
The things that excited Joe.
And when I slow it down, it's going to be, oh, wow, it's really good. Yeah, it was, and I'm pretty sure I got it.
Yeah, but don't you put roll down in.
Yeah.
Don't you want to let your
Got holes over there? Get that one?
Yeah, I did.
It's that one last kiss. try to save your innocence. One last kiss, sealing all your empty promises over and over again. Over and over again.
That was a good one. I got square on that one.
If only, if only.
It's almost like it's not moving. It's not moving very fast if it is. The lightning's
so
on the same
widespread.
spot.
Now we're at the back end of it.
Yep. Which is weird that it's going south and north. That's what tripped me out earlier, was they were going south and north, but the wind on the ground was going east to west.
Oh, I got it.
I think I got it.